How to turn off comment on Facebook posts and pages. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can turn off commenting on your Facebook posts and pages. Now, if you want to turn off comment on your Facebook post, what you want to do is simply open up the Facebook app and log into your account. Now you'll get an interface like this, and then tap on the three horizontal line icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen, and then head into settings. Now here, since I have my page opened up, that's why it will show an interface like this. Now you'll get something else interface. Now I'll just head into my profile settings here. Once on your settings, what you want to do is head into public post. Here you can see manage who can follow your profile and who can post, and then if you scroll down below, you can see the option public post comments. You can read who comment, choose who is allowed to comment on your public post. People tagged in your public post and their friends may still be able to comment. Now at this point, Facebook doesn't allow or have an option that you can totally or completely turn off commenting on your post, but what you can do is set your comments or set your post privacy to only friends or friends of friends. So this way, if you set to friends, only your friends that are friends with you on Facebook will be able to comment on your post. The rest general public won't be able to comment. Or if you tap on friends of friends, then only your friends and their friends will be able to comment on your post. However, if you don't want a specific comment showing up on your post, then what you can do is head over to the post and then head into the comment section, and here if you just tap and hold the comment, you can delete the comment or hide the comment from here. This way you can turn off comments on Facebook posts and pages. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.